Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest in the auto world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something legendary, rugged, and ready to tackle any terrain. That's right, we're talking about the new Jeep, model name. Whether you're a city cruiser or an off-road adventurer, this Jeep is designed to redefine versatility. So buckle up, because this is going to be an epic ride. First things first, just look at it. Jeep has once again outdone itself with a design that's both modern and unmistakably classic. The iconic 7-slot grille gets a sleek update, paired with bold LED headlights that light up the night like never before. The chiseled body lines and rugged stance give this Jeep an undeniable road presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement. This model also comes with multiple wheel options, ranging from 17 to 20 inches, perfect for customizing your ride to match your personality. And let's not forget the color palette, everything from classic blacks and whites to vibrant blues and greens. There's something for everyone. Step inside, and you're greeted with a world of comfort and technology. The interior is all about blending luxury with practicality. Soft touch materials, premium leather seating, and an intuitive layout make this cabin a joy to be in. The centerpiece is the all-new infotainment system, featuring a massive touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Amazon Alexa integration. Navigation? Check. Seamless music streaming? Check. You're always connected, whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. And let's not forget the little details: a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and even a 4G Wi-Fi hotspot. This Jeep is as tech-savvy as they come. Now, let's talk performance here, the heart and soul of every Jeep. Under the hood, you have a choice of powerful engines, from the efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder to the beastly V6. And for those who crave adventure, there's even a hybrid option that combines power and sustainability. Off-road enthusiasts, you're going to love this. The new Jeep is equipped with Jeep's legendary 4x4 system, locking differentials, and an updated select terrain system that lets you tackle mud, snow, rocks, and sand with ease. And with an impressive ground clearance and water fording capabilities, there's practically no place this Jeep can't go. But don't think this is just a rock-crawling machine. On highways, it's smooth, refined, and incredibly quiet, thanks to its advanced suspension system. It's the perfect balance of rugged and refined. Safety is a top priority in the new Jeep, and it shows. This model is packed with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Plus, with a 360-degree camera system, parking in tight spots or navigating tricky trails has never been easier. Jeep truly ensures peace of mind, whether you're exploring the wilderness or commuting in the city. Now, let's talk customization. Jeep offers a range of trims, from the base model for budget-conscious buyers to the fully loaded, top trim name, for those who want it all. And the accessories? Roof racks, LED light bars, skid plate, etc., you name it. Personalizing your Jeep has never been easier. So, what's the price tag? The new Jeep starts at an accessible $1 starting price, with top-tier models going up to $1 top price. It's competitively priced, considering the performance, features, and iconic Jeep heritage you're getting. To sum it up, the new Jeep, model name, is a game-changer. It's stylish, tech-packed, powerful, and versatile, a perfect blend of adventure and practicality. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just someone who appreciates a great SUV, this Jeep deserves a spot on your wish list. That's all for today's deep dive into the new Jeep, model name. What do you think about it? Are you ready to hit the trails in this beast? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting auto updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.